Hi everybody! Welcome to my channel! This time I'm so happy to show you how to make these lovely tassel earrings. They are so fashionable, so let's get started! Yeah, we're done! Look how easy and beautiful look like. These earrings are so fashionable and many people are wearing those, so I really hope you give them a go. Hey, don't go! Let me know what you think in the comments down below. By the way, you can find all the links to the supplies in the information box. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more creative DIY jewelry. If you don't want to miss anything, sweep the notification sign. This is very important. Look for me in the social media or my website. I'm everywhere. Love you so much and see you next Saturday in a new tutorial.